Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how to access Roblox on your school Chromebook. So first of all, what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to tap on a link. So this link, if if you guys really want it, I can link it in the video. Perhaps maybe if this video gets 10 likes, 15 likes, okay. If we get to 15 likes, then I'll send this link to you guys. So you enter this link in. So this link is from the YouTuber Macrola. Let me just copy it in. And what this link is going to show you, it's going to show you 3 ways to play Roblox on your school Chromebook. So the first one, you can simply, this does happen occasionally, it's a bit sensitive to ads sometimes. So you're going to try out this link here from this website, easyfun.gg. So first of all, you try that out, and from here you can search in Roblox. And you can basically play it from here, but sometimes this link is also blocked. So what you can do from there is on this website, actually what is provided, you just go all the way down and you could use these proxy sites, and you can actually unblock. You can get around the blocking system that your school might have. Another option that you might want to use to unblock the websites is you can quickly go to you can check out the Doge unblock Discord server. So let me just show you guys how that looks. What you can do is on this website, actually what is provided, you just go all the way down and you could use these proxy sites, and you can actually unblock. You can get around the blocking system that your school might have. Another option that you might want to use to unblock the website, you can check out the Doge unblock Discord server. So let me just show you guys how that looks. So basically guys, when you open up this server, it's going to give you a ton of links to unblock the websites that you need to access Roblox. So give them a try. Another option that it actually gives you is you can learn how to create new links. So say a certain number of links aren't working, you can actually create a new one to unblock your Roblox website. So yeah guys, those are a few tips. Hope these work out for you. If you really like to try it, just please like and subscribe, and check in for more videos guys.